Sonakshi Sinha. Let's welcome the uber talented Vijay Verma. Welcome. And now the brilliant and versatile Gulshan Devaya. Powerhouse Soham Shah. Welcome
As
to
you can see, we carry a red flag with us. सारे अच्छे ग्रीन पहन के आए हैं, बस ये एक आदमी.
वाले ग्रीन पहन के आए हैं.
For a change, he's not asked to smile, he's smiling himself.
I will really refuse to ask anybody to smile from here on.
But-
हमारी बड़ी तमन्ना थी कि आपकी स्माइल देखने को मिलेगा.
Hey, you know, before I ask them a question, I think we should get Vijay to do that smile bit live here, right? We've seen that on screen, but I think live. एक बार वो हमारे लिए वो कर दो ना वो smile वाला.
बड़ा मजा आ रहा है तेरे को, हाँ? मनोज, बहुत मजा आया. चुटकुला सुनाया उसने, गुलशन ने.
यार इनकी तमन्ना पूरी कर दो.
Smile. Smile.
Thank you so much. And that's the reason we call him the versatile and powers. Thank you, all of you. Some strong performances there. Congratulations and all the best for the heart. And
Thank you, thank you.
Sonakshi, starting with you and and Vijay, can you tell us about the heart and your experience while working on it?
I think, hands down, this has been one of the best experiences for me as an actor. I've said this to Zoya and Rima, in fact, when they came to narrate the story to me. I didn't take any sort of time. I didn't say, I'll get back to you, send me the script. There and then, on the table, I was like, I have to play this role. It's that powerful. It's that... it's just so satisfying as an actor to be able to portray such strong female personas on screen. And I was really looking for that. So thank you, Zoya and Rima, where are you? There. For thinking of me for Anjali Bhati. And of course, working with this entire team has been fantastic. So as an experience, it is just the best.
And as passionately spoke each and every word, I would say you did absolute justice to what we've seen in the trailer.
Thank you.
We're looking forward to it. Vijay, your experience.
I mean, I'd worked with Zoya and Rima on Gully Boy, and then I'd worked with Excel on Mirzapur. So I was excited to get something else with them, and in comes The Hard, and I was absolutely floored by what I read and by the character and the entire story. And I wanted to go back to, as they say, I'm a spaceship, and that's my mothership sitting there. So I like to work with them. So whatever. So it's just simple. Like I like going there, shooting with them, doing work with them. That's it.
And your honesty and love to the craft is visible on screen. So wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Gulshan, Soham, both of you, we've seen you in some acclaimed movies and series. You guys have made an impression. And what is your say? What do you, how was it being a part of series like The Hard?
I was in uniform most of the time, so I really enjoyed that. बचपन से मेरी तमन्ना थी
वर्दी पहनूं
कि मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के कुछ करूं. See you later. I got to work with fantastic directors. They are some of the best storytellers in the business. And what a talented cast. And I've been an admirer of all of their work. So I got an opportunity to sort of, mingle with them, get to know them a little bit, riff with them, and then do some scenes while in uniform.
और वर्दी जच रही है कहीं?
And also endless supply of kachoris.
Thanks to?
Thanks to, I think somebody was paying for it, not me. See, we film actors, we don't carry money. We're very rich, but we don't carry money.
Soham?
या आई थिंक एक्सेल टाइगर बेबी हर एक्टर की तमन्ना होती है कि उनके साथ काम करने की और तो वो था। और सेकंड आई गेस स्क्रिप्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, और मैंने ऐसा कैरेक्टर कभी किया नहीं है। मतलब मैंने जो कैरेक्टर किए हैं बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटेंस कैरेक्टर किए हैं, तो बहुत कुछ अलग था। राइटिंग बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, रीमा डायरेक्ट कर रही थी, तो मतलब करना ही था।
हमें खुशी है कि आपकी तमन्ना पूरी हुई है।
But Vijay, why are you
इतनी
reacting?
हिचकियां आ रही होगी ना उस लड़की को आज।
But I must say, Sonakshi, when we saw the trailer, the teaser, that the strong character like Inspector Anjali Bhati, it is impressive. But we want to know what inspired you to do the character.
I think inspiration is all around us. And, every day in our lives we meet such strong women who are just living life every day, holding the fort, just moving forward in the world. And I think inspiration can be drawn from anywhere. And I think we have a very, very special and very inspiring lady amongst us today, one such woman like that today, Miss Meera Chadda Borwankar. She is, please join us on stage. It's a very long list of accolades, and we are so happy that you're here with us to share this stage. I mean, it's our honor, really.
Thank you.
Well, truly a legend. Ani, namaskar, tumse swagat. And, before I let her say a few words, let me introduce her. A true legend, Dr. Meera Chadda Borwankar, IPS. She belongs to the 1981 batch of Indian Police Service, Maharashtra cadre. She was the Director General, Bureau of Police Research and Development, Director General, National Crime Records Bureau, Chief of Maharashtra Prison Department, Commissioner of Police, Pune, Chief of Crime Branch, Mumbai, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mumbai. She also worked in economic offenses and anti-corruption wings of CBI. Well, that's not it. She was the first woman district police chief in Maharashtra, that's Satara and Aurangabad, and has received her doctorate in organizational management from Pune University, and is a Hubert H. Humphrey Fellow from University of Minnesota, USA, where she was also bestowed with a Distinguished Leadership Award 2008. A law graduate, she is currently a member of the Core Advisory Group on Criminal Justice System Reforms constituted by the National Human Rights Commission. And the list goes on. Wait. She was also the recipient of the President of India Police Medal for Distinguished Services 2006 and Police Medal for Meritorious Services 1997. She specializes in investigation of financial crime, crime against women and children, law and governance, human rights and gender. Author of 2 books, Leaves of Life and Inspector Chaugale. She conducted a research study on gender in Maharashtra Police and writes extensively for national and international journals. Her 3rd book, Madam Commissioner, is due for release in July this year. Indeed, an inspiration, an icon.
Thank you.
No, thank you, ma'am.
Well, I would say, first of all, it's an honor to share stage with you because I'm also, my dad's a retired Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mumbai. So it's an honor to say, share stage with you. Thank you so much, ma'am. इथे आल्याबद्दल खूप खूप आभार आणि तुम्ही जे केलंय ते खूप अफाट आहे आणि thank you. तुम्ही एक inspiration आहात त्यासाठी. Thank you. And I want to know ki it's about 4 decades ago you started your journey. You joined the services and you've been serving the country since then. But we want to know that, since then, how has the journey been? And also, do share that your thoughts on the women serving in our forces.
Thank you for having me here. First of all, I would, if I go back, in 1981 batch of Indian Police Service, there were 70 male officers, and I was the only lady officer. It was tough. We had to do from horse riding to unarmed combat to rock climbing to jungle nights and swimming, which I very royally failed because I was so conscious of my swimming suit with 70 boys around. So it was tough, but I think it paved way for women to join police. And as we have seen in the trailer, we are not women cops, are not dumb-wit beauties. They are serious thinkers. They are problem solvers. And they are very committed to their profession. As the trailer showed, I love the scene where she's called Lady Singham and she doesn't like it. Because the protagonist is serious about her investigation. She doesn't want any labels. So the journey of women cops in India and abroad has been from being treated as matrons, fit only to investigate crime against women. We have proved that we are keen learners, we are problem solvers, and we stand tall when handling law and order situations. So the trailer shows that Anjali is a serious professional, and that is how we wish to be treated by citizens and by the media. Thank you.
And genuinely, it's only because of women like you who pave the way, where we get to tell these stories. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Thanks, and I definitely don't think it will be binge watching. I think it's a very serious one with a deep message, about the competence of women. And I also felt that the character is very strong in intuitive thinking. She can think and put two and two together while, sorry to say, the male officers seem to be...
But Meera, before I ask you the next question, I would like to compliment, I'm sure everybody will agree that women like you, individuals like you, have been instrumental, have been the foundation for so many women to get inspired. And if you look at the statistics now on the streets and the police stations and across the forces in India, the numbers have quadrupled, and it's all thanks to individuals like you who've inspired them and given them the wings to fly and the platform. So thank you so much.
Can I intervene here? I would like to share that in India today, women make only 11% of cops. So when in population we are 50%. In fact, the police department should have more than 11, if not 50, at least have 40% of women presence in the police stations. All of us will feel safer.
As you are the torchbearer and they all are following, and it definitely will multiply. We look forward to that. But we talk about Dahad that we just mentioned. Do you think series like this help empower, encourage more women?
Absolutely. And see, here I was watching from uniform to the story to the acting, everything is very real. If you watch a serial when you feel it's the real woman cop solving an undetected case, you do feel inspired, you do feel encouraged. And also, I'm sure the story would end with successful detection. So success inspires, and a realistic portrayal of success, as in Dahad, would definitely encourage and inspire more women to join police.
We have her stamp of approval, guys. Done.
And a successful fire starter like you, having you here, it's such an honor, heartfelt gratitude.
But I'm sure you're able to detect the case in the end.
I have a question.
We want you to watch it also.
Is this working?
I thought he was creepy.
Well said.
Which means in his career, he's done justice to it. But thank you, and indeed an honor, and a salute to you. And with that, may I invite back Aparna, Sushant, Ritesh, Rima, Zoya, and Ruchika back on stage. On behalf of the entire Dahad team, we would like to definitely honor ma'am here for joining us here this afternoon. The entire Dahad team would like to have the greatest honor of presenting you with a small token of gratitude for your tireless dedication, contribution towards your duty, the country, and its people. May I request a little center stage to ma'am. Sonakshi, if you could have a center stage, a little ahead in center stage. Yeah. हम और भी दहाड़ सकते हैं for this her tireless contribution. I think that we can definitely तालियों की दहाड़ यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. If you could have all of you for a nice photo op to capture the moment with ma'am, please. Thank you so much. Light व्यवस्थित आहे आता? व्यवस्थित आहे का? असं बोलायचं कसं? असं कसं? मी सांगतो त्याला. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थोडी इथे वरती खालती होते म्हणून मी सांगतो त्यांना. नक्की. तुमचा नक्की आदेश मांडण्यात येईल आणि थोडीशी लाईट पाहिजे ना अजून? अच्छा. फ्लक्च्युएट होतं ना थोडी? धाड होतं ना म्हणून थोडंसं असं ते. नाही मी करतो. ते आपलं झालं की याच्यानंतर नक्की फोटो. डन? अँड येस. Love letter. Thank you. Well, before I open the floor for media Q&A, I've got a couple of questions beforehand from our journalist friends. And I have the list with me, so I'm going to call out the name. I request you to please identify yourself, and then one of our volunteers will help you with the mic. Uske baad, please mention whom you want to ask the question to. That way, that individual, respective individual, could answer the question. And first, starting with Sonakshi, the question's coming in from Titas. Did I get that right? From News 18. Hi, Titas. How are you? Could we help Titas with the mic, please? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Titash. Okay, so Sonakshi, 13 years back, you made your debut with Dabangg, where, you know, Salman's portrayal of a cop, I mean, it changed everything. And with Dahar now, do you think life has come a complete circle? That's number one.
Yeah, I mean, why should boys have all the fun, right? And I think it's about time, you know, we started representing more real women, strong women on screen. There's so many stories to be told, like I said earlier. And this was just one such story which came to me, which I think I got really lucky with this one. You know, as an actor, very rarely you get come by these roles that just hit you bang in the face and you're like, you have to do it. So this was one such role. And yeah, I think as a cop, I think it's very different from the Chulbul Pandey you're talking about. Like ma'am said, she's very real, she's very raw, she's very, you know, she knows what she's doing and she knows what she wants. She's going to get justice no matter what it takes. She's that kind of a woman, and it was really my honor to be able to play her on screen.
How have you seen the representation of women cop on screen changing over the last, let's say, a decade?
We've actually seen very few, like far and few, you know, there's no one particular character that really sticks out right now when I'm talking to you at the top of my head. I hope Anjali Bhati becomes that character where people kind of refer to her when they talk about, you know, portrayal of women cops on screen in Indian cinema. So I hope she becomes that, and I hope that more people end up saying more stories of such women.
Thank you, Titash, for your question. You've got a very beautiful name there. Next question coming in from Raj from Filmy Beat, and it's for Reema.
Hello everyone, congratulations. Trailer looks amazing. Reema, आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं. You and Zoya, you both have delivered amazing work previously. But इस कहानी की खास बात क्या है कि आपको इसको कहना ही था? What was the seed of thought when you were directing this thing?
You know, like we mentioned earlier, it's just a genre that we both love watching, whether it's crime or suspense drama or thrillers. For me personally, it's a favorite genre. And when we came up, you know, when we started talking about creating this, obviously there was a lot that, you know, in a long format, there's a lot you can do. Like Zoya said, we had done Talash earlier, but that was a feature film. And in long format, I think you can